So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you're going to fix the screen share audio not working problem on your iPhone. For example, if you share your screen on any of the streaming platform, for example, let's say Google Meet or Microsoft Teams or even the YouTube as well. Now if you are streaming your screen and the audio is not going with the screen, just simply open your control center here. You simply need to press and hold the screen recording option. If you cannot find it, simply add it to your control center just by tapping on add control. Once you'll add the screen recording option, simply press and hold this one and make sure you'll enable this option of microphone. Here for me it's currently on, and in case if it's off for you, make sure to turn it on, and once you do that, definitely your problems will be get solved. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.